Hello, I'm William J. Archambault Jr. for the Real Estate Investment Institute, and this is 3-Minute Real Estate. Today's word, land contract. We're also going to be discussing contract for deed because they're almost synonymous. Just varies with the state you're in. A land contract is where the seller finances you. With the land contract or the contract of deed, you do not receive a deed at the time that you purchase the property. You have a contract for deed. If the seller has underlying financing, you have to determine whether or not you want to take the risk. In all likelihood, and with underlying financing, they're in all likelihood in violation of the due on sale clause. Now, I don't have a problem with that. That's civil law, not criminal, provided that it's not hidden. And you best check with your local attorney on that. But if the seller is willing to violate the due on sale clause of their own mortgage, what are they willing to violate with you? That's one of the reasons that I tell everybody when considering a land contract or a contract for deed, you must get a title report just as if you were getting a mortgage. You must know that the seller has the right to sell for you. Now, that's more common knowledge than the next item. If you purchase on a land contract or a contract for deed, assuming that the seller owns the property free and clear or you take it subject to, record a memorandum, which is a later episode. Record it publicly with the recorder's office, not the contract itself, although you can if it's fully notarized and witnessed, but record a memorandum that states you claim an interest in the property from that date. Because the problem with a land contract or a contract for deed is that if the seller has problems, the man you bought the property to has problems, they can come back against the property. Any existing lien can come back against the property. Anything that predates your memorandum. And if you don't record a memorandum, anything in the future that comes up against the seller can come back to haunt you. If you sell on a purchase on a land contract, if you purchase on a contract for deed, you must record something, or you're nothing but a tenant with a hope to end up owning the property. You don't have as much rights as a lease option. Now, if you consider either one, get knowledgeable counsel, both real estate, title, and legal. You will need all three. Go buy a house.